I'm coming at you to talk to you about political action. It's not about Democrats, not about Republicans. It's about the voice of the credit union movement. And that voice has been out there for over 80 years now, when credit unions were first established. So we need to support that. And the way we support that, excuse me, when I talk politics, I sometimes need a little energy to take the edge off. Yeah, a little Red Bull. I'm going to do that through candy sales. We're going to do that through candy sales. And we're going to do that through a newly introduced Casual for a Cause. So I'm asking you to start signing up right now. There's a new form out there. It'll be $5 for a month. That's right. What a deal. $5 the whole month. And the last Wednesday of every month, you get to go casual. So it's another day to go casual while you're supporting the voice of credit unions. Not only honor credit unions, but credit unions in general. You see, too many times the voices of people that are elected overcome the voices of the people that elected them. Our goal is to make sure that they get to hear our voice too. So, with that in mind, I'd like you to support the candy bar sales, support this Casual for a Cause Day, and support the voice of credit union members and credit union professionals so that they understand how important it is. There will also be some other events. There's a raffle coming up, some other good stuff. And really, I can't stress enough, it's extremely important and we need to be part. Politics, unfortunately, is a participatory sport. So I'm asking you to get involved. Make sure if you're not signed up to vote, vote. And sign up today, support it. And I appreciate all that you do for our members. Cheers.